In this video, I will guide you on how to fix ChatGPT payment declined or failed. First, check that your card has sufficient available funds. Then carefully verify your card number, expiration date, CVC, and billing address, including the postal code. Incorrect billing information can cause a payment to fail. Next, check with your bank to make sure online transactions are allowed and that payment hasn't been blocked for security reasons. If your bank requires 3D Secure or other authentication step, complete that verification when prompted. If the payment still doesn't work, try a different supported payment method or another eligible card. You can also clear your browser's cache and cookies, or if you're using the ChatGPT app, then clear the app's cache. For that, long press on ChatGPT. Now you want to tap on the app info icon. From here, tap on storage. Now tap on clear cache. If you're using a VPN or proxy, disable it while completing the payment, especially if you're having trouble with payment authentication. Also make sure that both location and card's issuing country are supported for ChatGPT purchases. If you have tried everything and the payment still fails, contact your bank first to check for transaction block. If the issue continues, contact OpenAI support through the help center. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.